Do you know that if you want to achieve a very super light and brightening skin, you can use 2 body lotion to do just that? When it comes to brightening up your skin or getting another shade, you need to make use of a product that contain a brightening ingredient in it, and some of these products are not meant to be using under the sun, and you need to get something that you can be using during the daytime and use that product that will lighten up your skin at night. In today's video, I'm going to be recommending to you guys 2 body lotion you can use together in order to achieve a brighter and an even skin tone. The first body lotion is going to be a lotion that is just going to repair your skin, that moisturizes your skin, that will give you an even skin tone, a good and an hydrating and a moisturizing skin during the day. Those are the kind of products you need to go for during the day. While at night, you go for products that will help and brighten up your skin, products that will give you another shade, because those kind of products are not meant to be used under the sun in order to brighten up or lighten up in a safer way. But remember, because Sophie said that you can use a lightening product, that doesn't mean you should go and be using product that is going to harm your skin, product that is going to give you skin cancer, product that is going to harm your skin or that is going to trigger your skin. That is not the kind of product I ask you to use. That is why in today's video, I'm going to be recommending to you guys 2 sets of products that you can use morning and night in order to achieve a brighter and a lighter skin. If this sounds like something very interesting in your ear, so watch this video till the end. So the first set is going to be from a Nivea brand. You need to get Nivea Beauty and Radiant body lotion. I don't have to talk much on this body lotion, because this body lotion, if you know, just as I always say when it comes to products that are very, you know what I'm saying. So this product is very affordable. You can get it in anywhere. It's something that can be used on all skin type, including sensitive skin, including darker skin, including lighter skin. It contains avocado in it and 5 different natural effective moisturizing oil in it. So this is a very good hydrating moisturizing product that you can use during the daytime without triggering your skin from the sun, without harming your skin from the sun. It is a very effective product from Nivea. It will not darken your skin. It will not make your skin look more duller. Instead, it's going to make your skin look more sharper, more sweeter, more softer, and more moisturized. If you have made use of this product before, let me know down in the comment section and share your thoughts and experience with us. So if you want to be using this product, this Nivea product, and you want to brighten your skin at the same time, so you need to get this second lotion in order to achieve that brighter look, which you are going to be using at night after taking your shower. And the second product you are going to get is Brighten body lotion, the one with 12% of lactic acid. Like this Brighten body lotion contains an exfoliating product in it, which is lactic acid, that will help in moisturizing your skin, because lactic acid is suitable for a dry skin. When it comes to exfoliating dry skin, it is very good. It's not those kind of exfoliating products that, or those kind of exfoliating ingredients that when you exfoliate your skin is going to make your skin drier. No, lactic acid is not that. But this lactic contains a very high percentage of lactic acid, which you are not supposed to use on a daily basis. This is not a type of lotion you're going to use every night. You are to use this lactic acid 3 times or twice in a week. So every other day you are going to use your Nivea product at night. Every other day you are going to use that same Nivea you use during the daytime, you use it at night. But this Brighten, because of it is an exfoliating lotion, you are not going to use it every day during the night time, and you have to use it 3 times in a week. If you can use these 2 combo together, I know Brighten is somewhat pricey, but if you are looking for a very lighter and a brighter sharp skin, like another shade color, another skin tone, you need to incorporate this skincare routine with Nivea and Brighten body lotion, the one with 12% of lactic acid in it. If you can make use of these 2 lotions together, sis, trust me, if you use it the way I just recommended, you're going to see a massive change on your skin, which I'm very sure you're going to come back and thank me later that Sophie, that your recommendation works so well on my skin, because it's going to work on your skin. If you can just close your eye, get Brighten and get Nivea, it is very affordable. Use this product together, and moreover, when you are using your Brighten like 2 times or 3 times in a week, it's going to stay a very long way. That is just the truth. You are going to use and use and use, and you're going to see the worth of the penny or any money you spend on it. All the money you use in buying that product, you're going to see the work on your skin, because it's going to repair your skin. It's going to like rejuvenate your skin. It's going to make your skin look wow, and people are going to ask you that, what are you using? Just a simple 2 skincare body lotion and you are good to go. The second step, if you know you also want to brighten up your skin and you want this baby feeling skin, because there is difference between you lighting up your skin and your skin is not looking softer. It's 2 different things. Have you seen a lighter skin person and the person's skin is not looking smoother? But if you want a lighter skin, another shade color skin, and at the same time you want to have a smooth skin, like a baby feeling skin, you need to get evaluation of smoothing lotion. That is EOS. You need to get this body lotion. It's either you get this one or you get this one. If you can get this body lotion, you have to use this body lotion during the daytime every day. And this body lotion can also be used at night, but we are working on 2 different body lotion that are very, very effective in order to achieve another shade color, a brighter color, a lighter color, and at the same time a smoother feeling baby, like a baby butt. You know the way baby butt looks. If you want your skin to look like that, go get this EOS and you come back and thank me later, because this is a very, very effective moisturizing body lotion. If you know this body lotion, you know this body lotion. So for the second get, go get this EOS, and the second body lotion you are going to be using at night is the topical cream, the lighter one, the lightening body lotion, which is this second one. So you use this topical cream at night alone. You can use this body lotion every day at night, then you use the EOS during the daytime. I hope I'm not trying to confuse anybody here, and I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say here. You have to use the EOS during the daytime, and you use the topical cream, which is this particular one, the lightening body lotion, you use it at night. The reason why I make it this way is because I don't want you to trigger your skin under the sun. I don't want your skin to get more harm under the sun. But remember, these are very, very natural, effective lightening body lotion. They are very, very safe on the skin, so you can use this topical during the night time every day. But any day you feel like maybe using your EOS at night, most especially this season now, you can use it in order to maybe to lock up moisture on your skin, most especially if you have a dry skin. In order to lock up moisture on your skin, you can also use it once in a while during the night time. But your EOS is going to be for the morning, while your topical cream is going to be for the night. And if you can go with this routine, you are going to come back and thank me later, and you're going to tell your skin, like your skin is going to tell you thank you, because your skin is going to also rejuvenate. If you know that this second one is somehow pricey because of the EOS and the top, they are somehow too pricey body lotion, you can go for the first set I recommended, which is the Amlatin and the Nivea. If you know you cannot go for the second one, and if you know that maybe you want something else, because I always bring something else for my girly in the house, which are also on the budget, you can get Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion and pair it with any safe lightening body lotion that you are going to use at night alone. And remember to always check if that lightening body lotion you are getting has a high percentage of active ingredients in it. Please don't use that lightening product every night, like every day during the night time. Use it like 3 times or twice in a week, and use that your Nivea product, or you can get a product from Vaseline brand also have a good body lotion that you can use during the daytime, and use your brightening body lotion at night, or your lightening body lotion at night. It's either you get a good body lotion from Nivea or you get a good body lotion from Vaseline. These are 2 brands that are very, very affordable. There are other brands that are very, very affordable, but we are working on a budget here for my girly in the house, so you can get your products from Nivea or you get your products from Vaseline, then you use the lotion in the morning alone. But any lightening or brightening lotion you are using, please, if they contain a super active ingredient in it, use them like 3 times in a week. Then you use that your Nivea or your Vaseline during the rest day at that night, just like the way I explained with the first set and the second set. So my girlie in the house, I hope I'll be able to provide and recommend something for you that you can also get for your skin, like 2 body lotion that you can also get for your skin in order to achieve that brighter, smoother, moisturizing, baby feeling skin and a lighter skin. I know this video is somehow fast, and I hope you really get 1 or 2 from this video, and if really find this video useful. If you have any question, I always say this, drop your comments in the comment section. Your girl is always here to reply you guys back, and I'm going to see you guys in the next very one. Stay blessed and peace out.